Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone? Not just on other planets, but in our entire universe. What if our universe, with its billions of galaxies, is just one of an infinite number? This is the mind-bending concept of the multiverse. It's not just science fiction. It's a serious idea explored by some of the brightest minds in physics. So, grab your thinking cap, because we're about to journey through the 4 levels of the multiverse, from the almost certain to the purely theoretical. Are you ready to question everything you thought you knew about reality? Let's dive in. Our first stop is Level 1, the infinite universe. This is the most straightforward and widely accepted type of multiverse. It stems from 2 simple ideas. First, our universe appears to be flat, which means it likely goes on forever. Second, in an infinite space, the way matter can be arranged is finite. Think about it like a deck of cards. There's a huge number of ways to shuffle it, but it's not infinite. If you shuffle it enough times, the exact same order will eventually repeat. Now, apply that to the universe. If space is infinite, then the arrangement of particles must repeat somewhere out there. Far beyond what we can see, there's another region of space identical to ours. That means there's another Earth, with another you, living a life almost exactly the same. And not just one, but an infinite number of them. Some of these copies might be making slightly different choices right now. One might have chosen a different breakfast, while another is pursuing a completely different career. This isn't a parallel world in another dimension. It is just a place so far away in our own universe that we can never reach it. The light from that distant, you haven't had enough time to travel here since the Big Bang. It's a humbling thought. Your life, and every possible variation of it, could be playing out over and over again across an endless cosmic sea. Now let's take a leap into Level 2 bubble universes. This idea comes from a theory called eternal inflation. Imagine the Big Bang wasn't a one-time event. Instead, picture space itself as a giant bubbling pot of cosmic energy that is constantly expanding or inflating. Within this cosmic soup, some regions can stop inflating and form stable pockets, like bubbles. Our entire observable universe would be just one of these bubbles. But the soup outside our bubble continues to inflate, spawning countless other bubble universes, each potentially with its own Big Bang. What makes this level truly wild is that the fundamental laws of physics could be different in each bubble. Imagine a universe where gravity is stronger or weaker, or a universe with different fundamental particles where the very chemistry of life as we know it would be impossible. Some universes might be bizarre, empty voids, while others could be teeming with forms of existence we can't even fathom. We are living in a bubble that just happens to have the just right conditions for stars, planets, and life to form. This concept, known as the cosmic landscape, suggests we won a cosmic lottery. Our bubble has the perfect physical constants for us to exist and ask these very questions. We're not in just one universe among many. We're in one specific type of universe, floating in an infinite cosmic ocean of possibilities. Ready to get even weirder? Welcome to Level 3, the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This level doesn't take us to faraway regions of space or other bubbles. It suggests that other universes are being created right here, right now, every single second. At the quantum level, particles like electrons exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can be in multiple places or states at once. It's only when we measure or observe them that they choose a single state. The many worlds theory proposes that the particle doesn't just choose one path. Instead, the entire universe splits. In one universe, the particle goes left. In another brand new universe, it goes right. Every quantum event, every coin flip, every decision you make splits reality into multiple branches. So when you hesitated between 2 choices this morning, you didn't just pick one. The universe branched, and in another reality, a version of you is living with the consequences of the other choice. This means there's a near infinite number of parallel universes layered on top of our own, all equally real but unable to interact with each other. Every possibility is realized in some branch of this ever-growing cosmic tree. You are constantly creating new versions of yourself in alternate timelines without even realizing it. This isn't about traveling to another universe. It is about recognizing that every potential outcome of your life is being played out in a separate, parallel reality. Finally, we arrive at the most abstract and speculative level of all. Level 4, the ultimate multiverse. This is the brainchild of cosmologist Max Tegmark, who proposes that anything that is mathematically possible exists. This level goes beyond physics and enters the realm of pure mathematics. It suggests that any self-consistent mathematical structure corresponds to a real, physical universe. Think of it this way. Our universe can be described by a very complex set of mathematical equations, the laws of physics. The Level 4 multiverse says that any other set of consistent equations also describes a universe. These universes wouldn't just have different physical constants. They could operate on entirely different mathematical principles. They might have a different number of spatial dimensions or follow a logic that is completely alien to our own. This is the grandest, most all-encompassing vision of the multiverse. It's a multiverse of multiverses, containing every conceivable reality. It implies that the reason our universe is describable by mathematics is not because we invented math to describe it, but because the universe itself is a mathematical structure. We are, in a sense, self-aware parts of this structure. This ultimate ensemble contains every world, every law, and every form of existence that can be described by mathematics. It is the final, mind-shattering frontier of cosmic speculation. So, we've journeyed from distant copies of ourselves in an infinite space, to bubble universes with different laws of physics, to parallel worlds created by every quantum choice, and finally to an ultimate reality where every mathematical possibility is real. The multiverse is a powerful and fascinating idea that pushes the boundaries of our understanding. While we don't yet have definitive proof, these theories are not just wild guesses. They are logical extensions of our best scientific models of the cosmos. They force us to reconsider our place in the grand scheme of things. Are we unique, or are we just one of an infinite number of variations on a theme? Is our reality the only one, or just a single page in an infinite cosmic library? We may never know for sure, but the act of asking the question itself expands our minds and our sense of wonder. What do you think? Which level of the multiverse seems most plausible to you? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey through reality, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more explorations into the mysteries of the cosmos.